वाई एमबीए का आंसर निकालना आपके लिए 10 मिनट से ज्यादा लंबी एक्सरसाइज नहीं होनी चाहिए. आई वांट अ जॉब इन कंसल्टिंग इन बीसीजी एंड दिस थिंग. नो, ठीक है, अच्छी बात है, बट व्हाट एल्स डू यू नो अबाउट इट? एज ऑफ राइट नाउ सर, दिस इज द क्लैरिटी आई हैव. कि नोबडी इज गोइंग टू पुट अ गन टू योर हेड एंड से अरे तूने इंटरव्यू में ये बोला था. 3 वर्ड्स बहुत जरूरी हैं इसके लिए. सिंपल, सटीक और सच्चा जवाब. Why do you want to pursue MBA? Now, when I've asked you this question, a lot of thoughts would have come in your mind. आप सोच रहे होंगे, you might have your answer for this, you may not have your answer for this, but if you don't have your answer for this, then this video is important for you because I'm going to give you a 3-point structure in which you can create an answer for this in a very effective manner. Simple, सटीक और सच्चा जवाब. ये 3 words बहुत जरूरी हैं इसके लिए. Simple, सटीक और सच्चा जवाब. और even if you've already framed your answer for why MBA, you must watch this video completely because one, you need to check whether your answer fits in that 3-step framework. Also, I'll give you some sample answers at the end and you can check that, okay, probably what is it that you can say in a very succinct and sharp manner. Hi, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Kaya Launcher. I'm the founder of Creatum and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. Let me tell you about what exactly is this 3-step framework. You know, over the last few years, I have helped MBA aspirants with exactly this. This framework has given them absolute clarity. Why MBA का आंसर आपके लिए 10 मिनट से ज्यादा बड़ी एक्सरसाइज नहीं होनी चाहिए. Wait a minute, I need to look at you again for this. Why MBA का आंसर निकालना आपके लिए 10 मिनट से ज्यादा लंबी एक्सरसाइज नहीं होनी चाहिए. I am telling you, while watching this video, you will crack your answer, or immediately 5 minutes after this video, you will crack your answer. Please do not sit on it. अब देखते हैं स्ट्रक्चर क्या है. देखो, सीधी सी बात है. This structure is a 3-point structure which includes a point A and a point B. Point A is what? Point A is your current position in life. अभी आप लाइफ में कहाँ पे हैं. Point B is where you want to be eventually. You need to first identify अभी आप लाइफ में कहाँ हैं, and B, what is your goal from MBA. आप करना क्या चाह रहे हैं after MBA in the next 3 years, 4 years, all of that. Now, what I'd want you to do is do a quick research on how do you reach from point A to point B without MBA. Without MBA भी रास्ता है. Even if you want to do a job in say consulting, which is quintessentially a job which you expect to get only after MBA, there is always a way even without MBA. What I'm trying to drive home is that ऐसी jobs जहाँ पे आप सोचते हैं कि यार सिर्फ MBA से ही होती है, वहाँ पे भी without MBA पहुंचने का रास्ता है. So figure that out. What's that way? That way obviously is going to be indirect and it will take you way longer, way more time and effort, but there is a way. I want you to research that. Then there is a way with MBA. Obviously MBA is one of the better options to reach there because it's more efficient. It's a direct path. You reach there early with lesser effort and all of those things. My dear friends, what you have in your screen, on your screen, is basically the answer for why MBA. As simple and straightforward. This is how you need to think. Which means what? Hello, you need to see this now. Which means what? That now you need to think only about 3 things. Have clarity on what you are right now, which means that you might be an engineer or you might be a UG in BCom and all of those things. Know that. Then spend time in knowing that, okay, where do you want to, where do you want to go? What exactly is the career you want after MBA? For that, one help which I can do is that I have a course called the MBA Specialization Selector course. It comes in my package called How to Be School and you need that because that will give you the clarity कि ये कौन सी specialization आपको ज़्यादा suit करती है, कौन सी specialization में क्या होता है, what all things you need to study, what all skills you need to acquire, what is the life after that specialization, how much can you earn. All of that is compiled in a course. I've covered a lot of specializations: marketing, operations, finance, consulting, whatnot. So watch that. That will give you that clarity. And then do a little bit of research on without MBA, what is the route, and with MBA, so you would know it. Now I'll give you some sample answers and we'll end with this. This is as simple as that. And I'll help you understand कि उसमें point A or point B and with MBA का क्या है. Now I will read out some answers. Suppose you are an engineering graduate who is a fresher and your point B where you want to go eventually is that you want to become a product manager in a tech based company which should pay you a lot. By the way, if you know, one of the highest salaries at IIM Ahmedabad, it goes in tech. It does not go in finance or anything. It goes in tech. That's why placement reports read karo, zaruri hai. Now probably your answer could be this. The one which I've highlighted in blue is your point A. इस आंसर में आपको समझ आएगा कि कैसे उस इंसान ने point A और point B दोनों को कवर करा. And this entire answer is actually in this point A to B through C wala structure, which is what I have recently completed my engineering degree in computer science, which gave me strong technical skills. However, I lack exposure to business concepts like product management, marketing strategy, and leadership. My goal is to become a product manager in a top tech company. Now, if you see, you've established your point A, who you are. You've established your point B, that where you want to be. Also, you have established your point C, that hey, I lack certain skills of product management, market research. Anyways, my goal is to become a product manager in a top tech company where I can combine my technical knowledge with business acumen to drive product innovation. Pursuing an MBA will help me build expertise in strategy, marketing, team leadership, enabling me to bridge the gap between technology and business. अब आप पैराग्राफ 1 में जो सेकंड स्टेटमेंट था, which is however I lack exposure, ये उन्होंने समझा दिया है कि विदाउट MBA का रास्ता मेरा ये है, that I have to acquire product management skills, I have to acquire market strategy skills. ये गैप है सर, गैप मुझे पता है. Hello, you need to come across as somebody who knows things, who are, who's not there to faff around, because remember that simple, satik, and what third word क्या था? Let me know in the comments. That's what I'm trying to say is that it needs to be genuine. You need to come across as somebody who knows, who has just not come there and say that, sir, I want a job in consulting in BCG and this thing. No, ठीक है, अच्छी बात है, but what else do you know about it? How can you show that? You know about it that, sir, these are the skill sets required for that, and I know that I lack this because of where I am right now. Therefore, for me to reach there, heading back to this. So in that point, he or she established that okay, ये है gap. फिर second paragraph की second line, pursuing an MBA में उन्होंने establish कर दिया कि MBA करके ये रास्ता fast track हो जाएगा. Now what will happen is that after watching this video, आप जिस भी दोस्त का why MBA का answer you will hear, you will be able to see कि सबके आंसर में यही स्ट्रक्चर यूज हो रहा है, बिकॉज ये स्ट्रक्चर यूनिवर्सल स्ट्रक्चर है. नेक्स्ट सैंपल आंसर पे चलते हैं फटाफट. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ सपोज यू आर अ मार्केटिंग प्रोफेशनल हु हैज 2 years of experience. For example, when I was an MBA aspirant, I was a marketing professional with 2 years of experience. So this is for me. And then probably my point is that I want to become a brand manager in an FMCG firm, which is a very sought after job at a lot of good B schools. Now probably your answer could be this. After working for 2 years in digital marketing, you have established आप अभी कहाँ पे हैं. I have developed hands-on experience in campaign execution and consumer behavior. Again, this entire thing is your A. However, I aspire to take on higher responsibilities as a brand manager in the FMCG sector. This is point B. कहाँ जाना चाहता हूँ या चाहती हूँ, which requires strategic decision making, cross-functional leadership, financial acumen. Sir, gaps भी पता है मुझे कि ये gaps हैं, और without MBA ये gaps मुझे cover करने पड़ेंगे. And MBA will provide me with structured learning in areas like brand strategy, operations, analytics, and give me access to case studies and industry exposure to excel in this role. आपने इस एक लाइन में थर्ड पैराग्राफ में MBA प्रोग्राम में क्या होता है पूरा समझा दिया उनको कि सर मुझे पता है मेरे साथ होने क्या वाला है. Because when you said that learning in areas like brand management, operations, and analytics, you are in a way sharing that, sir, I know that these are the subjects which you teach, these are the electives which are there. I am also already clear कि मैं second year में क्या electives लूंगी या लूंगा. Can you talk about that level of clarity? And in fact, talking about subjects and electives, when you reach that point, or suppose if they ask you this question and अगर conversation stretch होती है, you could even go to that point that hey, you would have already researched. तो मैं ideally अपने B स्कूल की जहाँ पे इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हो उनकी वेबसाइट एक बार देख लेना कि electives और subjects क्या क्या हैं. बोल देना जाके, sir, I know that these are the electives and probably these are the 4 or 5 electives which right now I think I will take. अब एक सवाल आ रहा होगा आपको कि सर इतनी ज्यादा क्लैरिटी चाहिए होती है, इतनी क्लैरिटी कि ये electives लूंगा अभी से, अगर मैंने बाद में नहीं लिए तो हाँ वो तो बोलेंगे तुम तो कहते. कौन बोलेगा आके यार तुम्हें कि तुमने electives नहीं लिए. As of right now, sir, this is the clarity I have. आज के मेरे aspirations के अनुसार मुझे क्लैरिटी है. कोई तुम्हें 4 हफ्ते बाद आके nobody is going to put a gun to your head and say अरे तूने इंटरव्यू में ये बोला था, you had said this thing in your interview that you will do this, why aren't you doing this now? No way. As of now, this is the clarity. That's all you need to take. Quickly sample answer 3 and then we'll talk a few things and we'll end this video. Now suppose you're a commerce graduate and तुम्हें investment banking में जाना है, very sought after. Again, blue में जो है that is point A and उसमें जो है that is point B. As a commerce graduate, I have a solid understanding of accounting, taxation and basic finance. I aspire to become a financial analyst in an investment banking firm where I can analyze companies, evaluate investment opportunities and contribute to major financial decisions. An MBA will help me develop advanced financial modeling skills, deepen my knowledge of global markets and build a strong professional network which are essential to succeed in this highly competitive field. Aced it. I'd say aced it because अब आपको ये लग रहा होगा सर अगर आपकी वीडियो से देख के अगर हमने आंसर क्राफ्ट करा तो सबका सेम हो जाएगा ना. नहीं, सेम कैसे होगा? सबके सब के पॉइंट ए अलग है, पॉइंट बी सेम भी हो तो जर्नीज अलग हैं, अंदाजे बयां अलग है। अंदाजे बयां बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है। आई हैड मेड अ लास्ट वीडियो ऑन द रोड मैप फॉर एमबीए इंटरव्यूज। आई हैड मेंशन्ड अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, अंदाजे बयां वो जरूरी है। अगर अंदाजे बयां प्रैक्टिस करना है, सबसे बेस्ट वे है बुक अ मॉक इंटरव्यू विद मी, गो डाउन एंड यू विल फाइंड द लिंक फॉर माय टॉपमेट एंड you can book an interview with me and we'll practice this out. We can do that. Also, goal अगर समझ नहीं आ रहा है, best way I am telling you, MBA specialization selector is a very short, simple, cute course. जल्दी कर लोगे, clarity full मिल जाएगी, इंटरव्यू में जाके हीरो हो जाओगे आप, ये फैक्ट है। उसका भी लिंक मिल जाएगा. Go and enroll for that and watch it completely. You will enjoy it. My dear friends, that was my limited, short but deep capsule on why MBA. How do you craft your answer? इससे ज्यादा आपको ज्ञान नहीं चाहिए, इससे ज्यादा अब आपको प्रैक्टिस चाहिए. तो प्रैक्टिस करनी है तो बुक द इंटरव्यू विद मी और विद एनीबॉडी एल्स, बट प्रैक्टिस दिस आउट सो दैट यू कैन टेक फीडबैक. क्राफ्ट कर लोगे, फीडबैक के बाद इंप्रूव करोगे. कहीं से भी इंटरव्यू ले रहे हो यार, इंटरव्यू लेना, प्रैक्टिस करना और पूछना, सर मेरा YMBA का आंसर सही था क्या? अगर नहीं भी पूछते, ये क्लैरिटी आपको चाहिए. सो डू नॉट थिंक क्या अरे मैंने इतने सारे ट्रांसक्रिप्ट रीड करे इंटरव्यू के, किसी में YMBA नहीं होता, तो सर क्या टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं YMBA का आंसर? नहीं भाई, चाहिए आपको खुद की भी तो एक कॉन्फिडेंस, क्लैरिटी कोई चीज होती है कि मुझे पता है कि मैं क्यों आया हूं आपके पास इंटरव्यू रूम में. IIM अहमदाबाद के इंटरव्यू रूम में, या फिर बैंगलोर के, या फिर XLRI के, फिर IFT के, जहां पे भी हो आप, ऑल ऑफ दिस थिंग्स. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, इफ यू वांट अ फुल प्लेलिस्ट ऑन MBA इंटरव्यू prep just like the expensive programs have, I'll make that full playlist for you. Let me know in the comments. Let me know how did you like this video. If you liked it, do not forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.